In today's example, we are going to see how to use rating chips within Google Sheets. Here, you can see we have employee names and we are going to rate them on different parameters like skills, attendance, etc. Lastly, we have created average column. Get the average rating. To insert rating chips, select the data where you want rating chips. Go to insert, then select smart chips and then click on rating. Let's give random rating to Alex. Now let's insert the average function to get average rating based on all parameters. In cell G2 we will insert is equals to select range B2 to F2. In this case I need to press tab. Let's drag the formula below and give random rating to others too. For more Google Spreadsheet and Workspace tutorials, subscribe to our channel.